Welcome back to Soul Renovation. I'm ADELINE Atlas, 7 times published author. Get comfortable with luxury. Struggling is not an achievement definition. Luxury isn't just material, it's energetic. It's living in overflow, peace, and alignment. It's receiving with ease, without guilt. Struggle is not a spiritual prerequisite. It's often just a programmed habit. Get comfortable with having luxury in your life. Struggling is not an achievement. And yet, how many of us were raised to believe it is? How many of us wear exhaustion like a badge, poverty like a virtue, and struggle like a spiritual discipline? The message was loud and clear. If it doesn't hurt, it doesn't count. If you didn't suffer for it, it's not worth it. If it came easy, it must be undeserved. But let's get real. That's not wisdom. That's wounding. That's generational programming. That's survival mode disguised as strength. Luxury is not the enemy. Ease is not laziness. Receiving is not weakness. Comfort is not a curse. Luxury is alignment. It's the external expression of internal healing. It's what happens when your energy finally matches the frequency of peace, pleasure, abundance, and safety. It's what happens when you no longer feel guilty for being well. But it's not just about designer bags and first-class flights. Luxury is the quiet, the soft towel, the clear boundary, the fridge that stays stocked, the slow morning, the appointment you didn't have to reschedule, the joy that doesn't need to be justified. That's real luxury. And it is not a reward for suffering. It is a birthright for those who remember who they are. You don't need to bleed for every breakthrough. You don't need to explain why you rested. You don't need to qualify your blessings by retelling your pain. Struggle might have built your work ethic, but it is not your identity. You can stop performing for the pain. You can stop earning your rest. You can stop proving your worth by how much you've survived. Because the truth is, no one hands out trophies for being emotionally bankrupt and spiritually exhausted. Let's talk energetics. When you normalize struggle, your nervous system starts to expect it. You'll self-sabotage when things feel calm. You'll feel guilty when things feel good. You'll call it boring when it's actually balanced. That's what happens when your body is addicted to chaos and you haven't healed the root. So when you finally start receiving, when you start living in flow, in order, in abundance, it'll feel wrong at first. That's okay. That's recalibration. It's your system detoxing from grind culture, poverty mindsets, and ancestral survival loops. Luxury takes reprogramming. You have to learn to sit in it, breathe in it, stay in it, and not flinch, not shrink, not justify, not over-explain how you got it. You just have to hold it. That's the real test. Not whether you can manifest, but whether you can maintain the frequency without guilt. You can do it without apology. You can enjoy it without spiritual disclaimers. You can receive it without reminding people how hard it was. Because struggle is not what makes you worthy. God did that. Your spirit did that. Your yes to healing did that. So here's the new program. Luxury is your new normal. Peace is your new default. Overflow is your new operating system. Ease is your new strategy. Struggle served its season. Let it go. You're not here to be drained. You're here to demonstrate. You're here to walk proof that it's safe to be well, that it's holy to be held, that it's divine to be in your overflow, and still be deeply humble, deeply powerful, deeply real. Get comfortable with luxury in your life, because you're not here to suffer for approval. You're here to receive without resistance. Ready to go deeper? Join the School of Soul Vault. Full access to exclusive video series that break the rules and rewrite the game. Monthly membership. No fluff, just transformation.